Last one.
This entire sci-fi magazine generated with AI is blowing our puny human minds. Our brains are melting. So it's good.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
So does the magazine is images and text? I mean, that's usually what magazines are.
Both generated by AI.
Let me ask you something.
Huh?
We have two images in front of us here, correct? Separated by a border. Just immediately, which of the two are you enjoying more?
I do like the robot elephant.
Same. And it's not
That's cool.
And it's not even close. I love Robot Elephant. What I like about Robot Elephant is the regular people standing around in winter jackets.
Yeah. Fogginess as well.
It's weird.
It paints like a really weird, surreal future.
Are they coexisting? Mm-hmm. I mean, obviously the elephant is somewhat reminiscent of Star Wars type.
Yeah, the AT.
But then it's got tusks and like seemingly organic materials as well. And the people, and then the other one is nondescript, but I don't know. I feel like I killed that thing in a video game 7 times.
That's the final boss of a video game.
Don't you agree? Like, you've killed that guy before.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's whatever he's made of. So what happens here? Do we get to see a few pages of this? Of this thing?
So people can buy it. It's called Infinite Odyssey magazine, issue number 1. It's the digital version, and it's $8.
Look at that guy. That guy's kind of looking like a wolf and a crocodile at once. Which is hard to do.
Got some sort of reptilian.
Or is it lion? They call it the Leo Gator. Damn, that's cool looking. You could base a whole thing on that.
Yeah.
The Leo Gator. Wait, so I got to pay $8 to see it?
Yeah, but there's other images here.
This is doing to me, Will?
This is more of an interview with the creator.
I see.
Philip Klein. So
listen, man, I don't know. Okay,
wait. These float your boat?
Oh yeah, my boat is floated, dude. Okay, definitely not the one on the right. My favorite is by far the bottom left. The face there. Oh my god,
it looks big.
It's not even close. I love that. That. Wait, Will, have you changed your position on this thing? You have changed your position on this thing.
What? No.
Yeah, you have.
No. I'm not buying this.
Yeah, you have.
But I think it's interesting.
You changed your position on this one. Yeah. You're sitting here enjoying AI-generated art.
I enjoy it. Yeah, for sure.
Change your position.
I think it paints like a really interesting
picture with
like
talking about painted pictures. No paint necessary. Will.
Yeah,
they're just using somebody else's paint. Will train the data set based on.
I think it helps with imagination.
Just brainstorming. It's all. You're the college student. It's like I mostly use for brainstorming.
Yeah, inspiration.
Left. I take left. I take left. Right. Get away from me. I take left. Left like by 1,000,000 miles. Come on, you don't agree with me on this one?
Yeah, this looks like a Rocky Horror Picture Show or something.
Laughed, dude. Laughed all day.
Yeah. I think that's it. But yeah, you can get it just online.
Yeah, check it out. $8 or 4 interest-free installments.
I think there's an ad
for orders over $50. It is a weird purchase page, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like there's a lot going on there. Easy returns. What am I going to return? The digital. I'd like to return my digital issue of my AI generated. Yeah.
But it does look like a magazine in like just the pictures here. It has chapters.
Yeah.
It talks about like there's paragraphs.
Yeah, you can spread out the payments for the $8 over the next 5 years.
Finance it.
Yeah, so you can help fund the AI takeover.
Yeah.